And now let's take a look at the nitrogen gas supply, whether that's from a generator or your own in-house supply. Connect the 10-meter stainless steel tube from your nitrogen source to the nitrogen port on the back of the controller. If you're using an in-house source of nitrogen gas, please make sure it meets the following specifications. The nitrogen gas should have an atmospheric dew point of lower than -65 degrees centigrade. The nitrogen gas should be carried to the Cobra through clean, dry and non-permeable piping or tubing. Good examples are stainless steel or copper. Plastic tubing is not really suitable except for PTFE. Do not use nylon tubing. Connect the 2-meter stainless steel tube from the cold port on the controller to the refrigerator. Connect the 5-meter PTFE tube from the shield port on the controller to the shield port on the Coldhead. Now everything's in place, all that's left is to connect the power, switch on, and you're ready to go. If you've got any further questions, our support team will be more than happy to help.